I head the Nucleic Acid Biomarker team, NAB for short, and the NAB team's job is to extract information from a simple blood sample that comes in a tube like this. And what we're after is sequencing DNA and RNA and gathering information that can help treat cancer patients.
We've got lots of exciting projects currently running in the group, but one of the projects that excites me the most is the Target trial. So this is a precision medicine based trial that we have recently published in Nature Medicine, and it's a collaborative study between ourselves and the early phase clinical trial unit down at the Christie Hospital, and we're doing molecular analysis of blood samples from patients to determine the optimum treatment for patients to improve their overall outcome.
We're looking at cancer blood biomarkers, and the challenge for that is we get the blood from a patient in a tube like this, and if we're looking at cancer cells in that tube, we have 50 trillion red cells, which aren't cancer cells, and we have 20 million white blood cells, which again aren't cancer cells, and we may have 1 to a few hundred cancer cells present. So we need to be able to isolate the cancer cells and then find ways of analysing them. If we get rid of the cells from a blood sample, you're left with something called plasma, which is the soup left over when you remove cells. And in that plasma there's DNA from healthy tissue, around about 10,000 cells worth in a blood sample like this. And there may also be DNA from the cancer cells that is released into the blood. And our challenge is to find out ways of both extracting the DNA and the cells and analysing the DNA and the cells. The project that most excites me now is whether we can tailor our sensitive methodologies to pick up cancer very early on. The benefit of doing that is we can pick up patients before they develop advanced cancer, and we have a better chance of treating them and may even cure them.
So the Institute's a place of opportunity because it's a large collaborative multidisciplined institute where all of the world-class scientists here are all driving towards the same goal of improving outcome for cancer patients.
Well, CRUK-MI is practically unique because it spans research from basic research all the way through to translational research, which is largely what we're involved in. It's a friendly, open atmosphere, and we can collaborate with all of the different groups that are here. For me, is unique because it allows us to bring together clinical expertise, lab molecular biology expertise and computational bioinformatic expertise. We need all of those three things to make sense of the data that we're generating from clinical samples that come into us.
To describe the Institute in 3 words, I would use world-class, exciting and collaborative.
I would use the words collaborative, open and adventurous.
So I would say to somebody who is contemplating starting a career at the Institute to make most of the exciting opportunities that the Institute provides and to be excited and driven by the project that they're involved in.
I'd make sure or advise them that they should pick a subject that they're really interested and excited about. They're going to need that interest and excitement to take them through the inevitable hard work and obstacles that are going to come up as they move their project forward.